Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today on the channel we've got Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We're on issue 22. In issue 22 we get some bits and pieces. We get the little bits for this that are going to connect on the jaw and go up underneath here, and we get a bit for our shoulder as well that we get to store for next time. These are the parts. Make sure your parts are in your case. Our assembly pages. Our Sci-Fi Cinema Legends is Mad Max. Great film. If you haven't seen it, go and watch it. It's a great film. Our Real World Science is Desertification, and what is coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our package, and these are the parts we've got this week. This part is part of our shoulder. It is metal. It does have an R inside there, so know it's for the right shoulder. We aren't going to use this part this week, but it is metal, so we need to store that for a future issue. This is what we're going to be using this week. We've got an L on both of these and an R on both of these. What we want us to do is take this side out first, so let's do that now. We want us to use some sort of snips or something. Let's see if I've got some. So let's get these out now. So just cut these out. That one. There we go. So that's that one out. And let's get this one out. Just like that. So these are the parts we're going to need. To get any burrs off before you begin, just make sure they're nice and tidy. That one, it's got a little bit of one on there. That'll do. This one, it's got a big one on here, so I'm just going to get that off before we start. There we go. Okay, so we are going to need some glue in this issue, so make sure you've got yourself some glue. We don't need it till a bit later. So what it wants us to do, we've also got some pins as well. I forgot to show you them. So you also get these 3 little pins, so we are going to need them. We only need 2 of them, but they're very, very small, so try not to lose them. Okay, there's mine there. Very, very small. So what it wants us to do is to get these. It says you can use tweezers. This is going to go on there, and then all we're going to do is get one of these little pins and put it through the hole on there. So I do have some tweezers here, because it says try and use tweezers. So you want it facing this way, this facing up. So I'm just going to try hold that in place. Grab one of these. You can see this is going to be quite tricky to get this in, but let's give it a go. No, that's not having none of that. So let's line it up. Also facing that way. Line up the holes. Just like that. Grab your pin and stick it in the hole. No, we probably lost one pin. Now let's try about the tweezers. That pin is so small. Okay, there a little bit in. Again, no? So we use the tweezers just to get a bit of extra leverage on that pin, push it in place just like that. That's what we're going to need. Now, where's my other pin gone? There it is. Do not lose that one. Now what I want us to do is bring in our head, and this is going to be going on here. So one part needs to go up this hole, the next part needs to go up this hole. These are going to be just flowing around freely. You want you to test your fitting. and once you're happy, we're going to be gluing this little piece in here. So let's get some glue ready. Let's do a little reservoir. Grab a cocktail stick. Right, so we can take this back out because we're happy that that goes in and out freely. We're going to apply some glue in this hole here. You don't have to use the cocktail stick, but I'm giving it a go. That's in there, then I'm just going to put a little one here as well. So I'm just going to dip that in, just like that. Now, make sure we slide this up into the holes. Make sure they're nice and free. Push that in place. There we go. That's going to sit there just like that. Now we need to do exactly the same for the other side. So let's leave that to set to the side for now. Let's get these parts out here. It's going to be quite easy to get out now that we've already got one side out. I'm going to need to cut that one out. There we go, that's that one cut out. And we need to do exactly the same with this side. So we need this piece here, facing up again. Try and line up your holes. Grab the world's smallest pin ever and try and get it in that hole. I think once you've got it started and into the hole, it's not too bad. And then I'm just going to use the tweezers to apply the pressure to get it in, just like that. So now we test the fit on this side. In there, up there. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, there we go. And that is what's going to look like. So let's get the glue in there. All these little details that we're putting on now is really making this stand out. So we're nearly finished with the head. Obviously we've just got the back and a few bits to go in the head, but the front of the head is pretty much done now. So yay. Right, let's dip that in. That one. Turn it around. Get it going up. There. And so you try and locate it in there. Just like that. Just hold it for a few seconds so that's set. Just like that. And that is that part done. And that's what you should be left with. Now the only thing left to do is to take our faceplate and put it on. So ask you to test your faceplate, make sure it fits, and look at that. Doesn't that look really good? All these little details on there now. So the reason these aren't attached onto here is because when the drawer opens up and down, these are going to come in and out freely. They're not going to come all the way out. So yeah, that's why they're not attached at the top. But yeah, that is looking really, really good. So please like, comment and subscribe. I'll quickly show you what's coming up next week. We have got begin to assemble the right shoulder. So we get some more parts to go with this and start building our right shoulder. So join me then. That'll probably be out next Wednesday. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. May as well hit that notification bell. You'll be notified of any videos that we put out. Until next time, see you later.